In the last 4 years, our agency has written over $30 million in P&C premium. Last year, we did $15 million in P&C premium, and this year, we're trending for $18 million in P&C premium. And in this video, I'm gonna give you 3 tips on how one sales agent, one sales producer can consistently write over $40,000 in P&C premium every single month. Now, on top of the 3 tips, there's gonna be 2 other bonus parts of this video. The first one is gonna be a personal story of mine on how these 3 tips impacted me directly. And then for the next couple minutes, I'm gonna speak directly to sales agents, directly to sales producers, but at the very end, I'm gonna speak eye to eye with agency owners and why this is so important to implement in your agency. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. In order to write $40,000 in P&C premium consistently every single month, we must first figure out why $40,000 in premium. Where does this number come from? And I'll break it down for you really quick. So in our agency, we expect each of our sales producers to close 1 deal per day. And it's very realistic, very reasonable for you on the other side of this screen to close 1 deal per day. If we look across the entire country, from the East Coast to the West Coast, and we take the average premium per household. So think about it this way. If you have a homeowners policy and you have an auto policy with, let's say, 2 cars. So for us, that's 1 policy. For others, that might be 2 items or 2 policies. But you take the household, the home, the 2 cars, husband and wife, and you tie those together. Across the country, it's safe to say that on the low end, that household is worth $2,000 in P&C premium. So if the goal is to close 1 household per day, there's generally 20 business days in a month. And if you want to write $40,000 in premium, you probably want to work all of those 20 business days. But if we close a $2,000 household for 20 business days, 2,000 times 20 gives us $40,000 in premium. So that's where the start of this number comes from. At the end of the video, to agency owners, I'm gonna describe something on the back end as to why this number is so important for the profitability of your agency. So with that, to write $40,000 in premium, step number 1 is to have 4 new sales conversations every single day. 4 new sales conversations every single day. Now, let me break down what a sales conversation is, what a new sales conversation is. What it's not is you pick up the phone, you collect name, address, date of birth, VIN numbers, drivers, all the basic info, and then you say, all right, Mr. Prospect or Mrs. Prospect, let me run the quote. I'll send it over to your email, I'll give you a call back and we can review it then. Does that sound fair? And then you hang up. Not a sales conversation. If you get on the phone with someone and you find out that they're ineligible due to a claim or the location of their home, not a new sales conversation. What it is a eligible prospect that you haven't spoken to within the last 30 days, so this is a new prospect, and the call lasts more than 10 minutes. The reason that we look for that 10-minute marker is because it's basically impossible to get through our entire sales process, from confirming information during the hook, building rapport, building value on the home, multi-lining the auto, bringing up life insurance, presenting the price, asking for the sale, asking for a referral. You can't do all of that in under 10 minutes, so that's the marker that we look for. So one more time, new sales conversation is a prospect that you haven't spoken to in the last 30 days, where the call lasts longer than 10 minutes. That is what we call a new sales conversation. You want to have 4 of those every single day. Now, here's why you want to have 4 every single day. If there's a 20 business day month and you're having 4 new conversations a day, that'll give you 80 new sales conversations for the month. And if you use the 3rd step that I'm going to describe to you here towards the end of this video, you should be able to close at least 25% of those new sales conversations. So it's a very reasonable close rate, and a 25% close rate is not of all of the leads that might flow through your pipeline or all of the leads that your agency buys. This is close 25% of the leads that you have a new sales conversation with, okay? And if you close 25% of the 80, that leaves you with how many households for the month? 20. So that's what gets us to our closing one deal a day formula. You have 80 new conversations over the course of the month. You close 25% of them. That leaves you with 20 closed households. Multiply that by our average premium per household of $2,000. That puts you at $40,000 for the month. That is step number one. You have to kind of reverse engineer it from the goal. And we get back to 4 new sales conversations every single day. Last point on this, and then we'll move on to tip number 2. It's also not quotes, right? Because I can quote a bunch of people, but not actually talk to anyone and not close anyone. So just because I quote someone doesn't mean I'm gonna close someone. It also isn't dials, because I could make 100 dials, 200 dials, 300, 500 dials every single day. That doesn't necessarily mean I'm gonna talk to anyone or quote anyone. It's not talk time, because I can have 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours of talk time every single day. That doesn't actually mean I'm gonna close anyone, because if the quality of the conversation isn't there, it doesn't matter. So just to really drive this point home, because the new business activity, the top of the funnel, might be the most important part, okay? So that's why I'm putting this at the front. You have to have 4 new sales conversations every single day. If you don't, the next 2 steps won't be as impactful. Hey, really quick, now that you know the first tip on how to consistently write $40,000 a month in P&C premium, the next question is, how do I track those new conversations? And we have a tool at Insurance Sales Lab that will help you do that. It's called the Call Reports tool. And what it does is it connects to your phone system. It'll show you the amount of new conversations you've had, your gaps of inactivity, and a full call log. So it'll go through every call you made for that day. I'm not gonna go into a whole lot of detail on how it works right now, but if you stay till the end of the video, we'll explain exactly how it works and exactly how you can get access to it. Back to the video. Tip number 2 on how to consistently write $40,000 in P&C premium is to follow up with all of your quoted leads by call, text, and email for at least 5 days. Okay, let me break that down one more time. Of the new sales conversations that you quote, you have full sales conversations with, and they are interested at some capacity, so it's not that they're ineligible, they don't hang up on you, they don't say, hey, your rate is 2, 3, 4 times as much as what I'm paying now, there's absolutely no way I'm moving forward with you. Not those people. Those people we want to get out of our pipeline. But the people who are closable deals, who are interested in our price and our coverage, those people we keep in our pipeline, and those become our hottest leads. We call those our quoted over the phone leads. Those people, those prospects, we want to follow up with by call and text and email for at least 5 days. Now notice the verbiage here, call and text and email, not call or text or email for 5 days, and text and email and call. And the reason for this is because sometimes producers get caught up in this way of prospecting where they call someone, the prospect says, hey, well, just text me. That's the best way to get a hold of me. Don't call me anymore. So then they just text them back and forth. But we can't really close deals over text. There's a lot of miscommunication. There's a lot of liability with that. So we need to get them on the phone. Same thing as if you're sending out marketing emails and someone replies and you think, okay, well, they replied to the marketing email. They haven't answered any of my phone calls, so I'm just gonna email them back and forth. No, call and text and email for at least 5 days, because just because they replied to your email today doesn't mean they can't take a call tomorrow or the next day. That is tip number 2, is to follow up with all of your quoted leads by call, text, and email for at least 5 days. Tip number 3, we would recommend you use the 6-step script to a 1-call close. This is our sales process that we provide, and you're gonna need a sales process anyway, right? You're gonna need a repeatable sales process that you can use on the phone, you might be able to do this. The reason that I mention ours is because we're the type of people where we would just rather use something that's proven through trial and error, through actually being in the trenches on real prospects, real calls, real industry rates, and something that's proven to work, than try to reinvent the wheel. And that's what we provide. So you want to use a 6-step script to a 1-call close. And if you want access to it, go to insurancesaleslab.com and become a member. But that is step number 3, is to use a sales process. More specifically, use the 6-step script to a 1-call close. Before I go into some of the bonus content of this video, just a quick recap here. To write $40,000 in P&C premium consistently, there's 3 things that you have to do. We call them our 3 daily fundamentals. We have never had a producer on our team or outside of our team that executes these fundamentals the way that they're laid out and not write $40,000 in premium. First one, 4 new sales conversations every single day. It's 80 for the month. Second one, follow up with your quoted leads by call and text and email for at least how many days? 5 days. And the third one is to use the 6-step script to the 1-call close. You can get that at insurancesaleslab.com. How do we know it works? Well, for me personally, there was a month where I wrote over $60,000 in P&C premium. I think it was about $63,000 in premium. I felt really good about that month. I was on cloud 9. I wrote $60,000 in premium was the 1 month. The month after, $36,000. The month after that, $27,000. Obviously not trending in the right direction. My agency owner, Vlad Cherchenko, he's the founder of our organization, sent me a screenshot. It was very, very eye-opening. He sent me my talk time for those 3 months. And he said, hey, here's the last 3 months of talk time and premium written. What do you notice? Okay, and this is in the early days when we're starting to figure out this formula, figuring out this process. I realized that, well, on the month that I wrote over $60,000 in premium, I had 68 hours of talk time that month. When I was looking through the data just recently, I quoted 104 people. I had plenty more than 4 conversations a day. And I was always good at using the sales process. And that month I was good at following up with my leads. So I was able to write over $40,000 in premium. But then moving into month 2, when I wrote $36,000 in premium, I look at the talk time, went from 68 hours to 28 hours of talk time. Major difference. Cut it in less than half. And look at that, I wrote about half the amount of premium because I was talking to less people. And again, right now I'm saying talk time, but now we know that it was really the amount of new conversations I'm having. This is just our first experience learning this. The 3rd month, of course, I wrote $27,000 in premium, and I ended up only having 22 hours of talk time, which again, going lower, which results in lower premium. So that was my personal experience. We started digging into that. And fast forward to today, we have 27 sales agents, and basically all of our team writes over $40,000 in premium every single month. So much so that our standard now is not $40,000, it's $60,000 a month in P&C premium. Why is that? Because we got our team to start writing $40,000 in premium, everyone on our team, and our standard kept going up and up and up. So this $60,000 isn't a place for everyone to start that's looking at me on the other side of the screen. Start at $40,000 in premium, practice the 3 daily fundamentals that I just covered, those 3 tips, get your current team to $40,000 in premium, and then you can start to increase the standard. So that's how it personally impacted me. And then we started to unravel this big ball and we get to where we are today. If you're an agency owner and you're watching this video, I'm about to describe why these 3 daily fundamentals can make or break the profitability of your agency. As agency owners, we know that there is a threshold of premium written that makes a sales producer profitable, meaning they pay for their own seat. It's not costing you money. If a sales producer writes over that threshold, that's good. We're in the green. If they write under that threshold, we are not good and we start to lose money. Now the question that I have for you is, how many months can you lose money on sales producers and stay in business? If you have 1 producer, 2 producers, 3 producers, and they're all writing $10, $15, $20,000 in premium, you know your compensation plan, you know your bonuses, you know how that plays out. How many months can you go and stay in business? What Vlad says is the number one job of a business owner is to not run out of money. And if you're losing money on sales producers every month, well, you're not gonna be in business for very long. So getting your sales team to individually write $40,000 in premium is vital to staying in business and scaling. If you're an agency owner who might be in a rut, you might be just starting out, or maybe you've been in the business for a really long time, but you know that there's another level that you need to go to, this is vitally important to you. You have to get your sales team to write $40,000 in premium each so that they become profitable. And if you knew, let's just look at me eye to eye here as an agency owner. I'm gonna lean in a little bit. If you knew as an agency owner that you could fire up your recruiting process, you could bring in a good candidate, you could plug them in to your system, and you could guarantee that they would write $40,000 in P&C premium, when do you stop bringing on producers? It just depends on how big your office is, right? How many people can I fit in here? That's what's gonna dictate how many people you bring on and how many people you wanna lead. That's why it's so important to get your team to write $40,000 in premium. And then of course, you'll have the revenue to reinvest back into the agency and back into your team and back into their families and lives and do some really cool stuff moving forward. If you're a producer and you're still watching this, you just got a behind the scenes look, some inside baseball on why this stuff is important. And if you're starting to feel a little conviction, you're like, dang, dude, I'm not writing that. Is that what I'm doing to the agency? I'm not calling you out here and making this a big deal, but if you start writing over $40,000 in premium, you will become an asset to your organization. There it is, 3 tips to consistently write $40,000 in P&C premium. If you want the word-for-word sales process that we covered, or more training like this, in-depth training, hour and a half long training on exactly how we run our agency and how we've scaled to $30+ million in premium, our book of business, in less than 4 years, then go to insurancesaleslab.com and become a member today. Hey, earlier in the call, I talked about the call reports tool that's inside of the Insurance Sales Lab training platform, and I'm gonna explain how it works right now. So it connects to your phone system. If you use Ricochet or Ring Central, it'll automatically connect. It'll pull data live from your phone system, and you'll know how many new conversations you had, your gaps of inactivity, whether or not you hit your follow-ups, and a full call log for the day. And you can pull that at any time of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. And then you can also set these up to where this report gets emailed to you and your team. You can have it emailed in the morning, in the afternoon, at the end of the day, whenever you'd want. So this is an absolute game changer to know how many new conversations you're having. Now, what the call reports also does really, really well, and before I explain this, if you don't have this call reports tool, you can still figure out how many new conversations you have. It's just more of a manual process, which we all love manual processes, right? You'd go to your phone system, your call history, you'd filter the calls by longest to shortest, and then you just count up the new conversations. So you can do that, but if you like saving time and you like being more effective and more efficient and closing more business, then I would just recommend using the call reports tool that we'll give you access to. So that's one reason why it's super beneficial. The other reason is so that you can hold your team accountable and your producers can hold themselves accountable. Let me explain how this works. So if you're my agency owner and you come up to me and you say, hey Rob, how was your day yesterday? This is how most of those conversations go. I made a lot of calls, left a lot of voicemails, sent out a lot of emails, I got some strong follow-ups, hopefully one of them closed. For you as my agency owner, what does that tell you about my day? Not very much at all. Whereas if I had the call reports, you'd say, Rob, how'd your day go? And I'd say, thanks for asking, fantastic question. I had 35 calls, 3 hours, 28 minutes of talk time, 5 new conversations over 10 minutes, 6 in total. I did hit all of my follow-ups, and it looks like I only had a couple gaps of inactivity. One of them was lunch. So my day went really, really well. So on your end as the agency owner, you know exactly how my day went. You're not wondering, what is my team doing all day? So this is why the call reports are so impactful. And if you want access to them, then just go to insurancesaleslab.com and become a member today, and we'll help you get set up.